Get everybody out there. Craig here from tradercobb.com. I wanted to just take you through a bit of what I'm seeing here. Oh, itchy nose on Bitcoin. It's been a really good start to the year. It's been a really good week in particular for those that have been out there trading, who are trend followers. There's been a lot of meat in the meal through here. And of course, we've seen some pretty decent moves. You know, Ethereum, EOS, Litecoins perform well, Bitcoin Cash. I mean, the list goes on and on. But I wanted to sort of talk about what I'm seeing on this pullback right now, because I'm now flat, which means I don't have any trades on. I got stopped out of Bitcoin yesterday, for a full loss on that one, and now I'm just waiting to see what next. One of the really important things, the messages I want to get across, is a lot of the time you're going to spend doing nothing if you're going to trade successfully. The fact of the matter is that having lots of trades open doesn't always doesn't always mean you're going to have lots of money. The way I try and manage my portfolio is I never have more than 2% risk open to any correlated pair. So for example, if I'm trading against the USD or a stable coin of some kind, with margin or without, I'm not going to risk more than 1%. I'm not going to risk more than 2% if I've got like Bitcoin against a dollar, Ethereum against a dollar, and they're both 1% full risk. Now I can have 4 trades at 0.5% each, not a problem, but it's about managing that risk. And I'm pretty happy with how I've gone through this last run, and we just seem to be going through a period of I'm not sure, maybe a little wake up, a little slowdown, a little pullback, and we might consolidate, we might fall. The thing is that these are all mights. For me, it's a really good time to go through the trades that I've had, hang on to the profits that I've made to start the year. There is no rush to be jumping into markets. Now, if I get a small little bullish candle down here, I might actually think about taking a trade. But where can I see the market pulling back to based on some simple tools that I've got, like Fibonacci? Well, the first thing is this. If I have a look in here at 50%, just above there, sorry, just below 50% is 8,000, a round number. Now, I'm not suggesting that round number by itself is going to really suggest anything too significant, but it is there and it needs to be noted. The area that I do see that being a potential, it's a deep pullback, but the area that I do see is down here as a bit of a confluence, because if we were to go through 8,000, I think 7.7 is reasonable, 7.5, somewhere around there, and here's why. Resistance running through here. It's a 61.8% pullback of the move, and it's not too over the top. Have a look here at the weekly. We can see that the last couple of weeks, these 2 weeks here, broken the highs. This one's the first week where it hasn't broken the high since, well, the December candle. Okay, so we've got a couple of very positive weeks there, and the market has moved quite significantly since the start of the year. Let me just show you that actually from here to where we are now. It's a good 35% move. So to see a bit of a pullback, we're only just at 38.2 right now, is not a big deal at all. Looking back at the monthly now, I'll just get rid of that Fibonacci so it's nice and easy to see. Look where we've pulled back into. We broke that candle. I like the look of the candle at the moment. I'd like to see it close more bullish, of course. But again, let's just draw in and see perspective here. We did pull back into the 61.8 and it has moved. It's not telling me too much more than that. The thing I do like is that the weekly is in an uptrend, higher low here, higher high, 2 pullback candles. That it constitutes enough for a pullback for me. The monthly has broken that December candle and is moving quite good, looking quite positive. And currently the daily, look, it has to be said, it is back in the cradle zone. We've still got some good support levels. It is looking positive across the board, but it just needs a bit of taking your time before you dive into your next opportunity. And that's simply what I'm doing. So guys, have a great weekend, and jump across to tradercobb.com, free video newsletter there. You can go and check it out. Sign up and we'll give you access to getting 10% off your trading fees for the preferred exchange you like to use. Have a great day, have a great weekend, and I'll speak to you soon. Cheers guys, bye for now.